everyone. In today's video I'm going to be using just a plastic bottle. I want to use the bottom of it and use that as a stamp. So this has like 5 little feet on it, and I think it would be really pretty as a flower design. You could use any plastic bottles. You could use the big 2 liters, you could use pop bottles, you could use the bottom of cans, literally anything that you want. I just had this one, and so I'm going to use this. There's 5 on it. I'm also going to just try and cut. There we go. And you could also save it. You could use the top as a stamp also. So again, different things that you could use this for, recycle it. But I'm going to just use this bottom part. I have a couple of pages with, I have a pink one, a purple, and a turquoise. And I was thinking about doing a darker pink on this one, so I might wait on that. But I have my fluid acrylic white, and I'm going to just put a little bit down. I don't think I'm going to need too much paint since I'm just using it as a stamp. I'm going to set that aside for a minute, and I'm just going to start with this turquoise, and I'm going to just dip the bottom of this into the paint and see, if you want, you could fill in that little area and just do some stamp. Okay, so it stays really far apart. Those other areas that dip in don't really show up at all. So this is not going to make as much of a flower design as I had hoped, but you can add some more paint, and this could be a really good way, like if you doodled some flowers or drew some after you put these down, it would at least be a good guide for where 5 petals would be. And I'm just thinking about my gold oil paint that I love to use so much, and that would just pop against this background. But I'm going to, do I want to do any more? Just kind of filling it in so that I have just a full page there. And I'm going to grab my purple one and do that. And then, yeah, I do want to do this. But yes, I think I'm going to get a darker color for that one. Okay, I'm going to go look for, so the pink on this background is my terracotta color. It's Mesa Pink. I have some other terracotta colors, and I think I have one that's going to be more on like a really deep pink, more towards maybe a reddish side. So I'm going to go see if I have that and then do that on top of this one so that it has just something different other than white. Alright, so I grabbed this one. It's called Earthy Rose. It's a really pretty shade. So again, just a little bit darker than that pink. And just do some little stamps. There we go. Since this is thicker, I might be able to get more of the cup design on there. But if I don't, again, I'm not super concerned about that. Okay, so this one, you could get, I had like the middle show up on some of these, but again, not really the petal design that I was hoping for, but it was still fun to try and good to know. Again, with so many different types of bottles that you can get, you could test out a bunch of them just to see if there's going to be one that comes up with a design that you like. But I hope you guys liked this video today. Let me know what you think down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.